Hey guys, welcome to Duck Diecast, and in today's video I will be doing a cleaning, polishing, and waxing of this amazing R34 GTR V-Spec 2 Skyline, of course. So I just want to quickly show you guys the before video. So as you can see, there are a few areas where there's dust surrounding the area, such as right here. So it looks like it's caked on there, like a brush won't do it. Like there's a blemish right there. It's quite dusty underneath, right here by the hood, inside that grille. It's quite glossy, so it's not too bad. So on the side areas, but as you can see, there's a few areas here that I can touch up on. The windows are pretty dusty as well. Looks like I can take it off with a brush, but we'll do that in more detail. Same in between these areas as well. Dusty inside as well. Just want to point that out. Look at all that dust in there. Gross. We go on this side. Not too bad. And then in the rear, we see more dust, especially underneath the wing. And on top of that wing, you see more dust underneath there as well. Go to the back side. Not too bad. But as you can see, there's clearly some dust right there as well. So we will address all these, and at the same time, yeah, like it's a great model, but just needs a good cleaning and polishing and waxing. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, here is the final look of the model. It's really slippery as always, and I'm wearing this glove. So you can see no more blemishes. You got that nice glossy Bayside blue that definitely really looks really nice. Yeah, on any angle it's so nice. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of an orange peel to it. And that's pretty, I don't know, common to these Autoarts, especially the old ones. Not much orange peel in the sides here, but yeah, like, still a great model. Looks good. As you can see, no more dirt. The back here is pretty good. Wing looks great. See the back here, pretty clean. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll definitely do more cleaning videos of these models, while cleaning, polishing, and waxing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.